Hi children, welcome back to the max video. Okay, so today again we are with another word problem from exercise 3.3 which is under I think substitution method for you. Substitution method. So under substitution method we have a problem here. So now let us read the problem and try to solve the problem. Yes. The difference between the two numbers is 26. And see, whenever a numerical value ends or the statement ends, you need to stop there and write what is given first. Okay, as I told you, I am again repeating it. Word problems are given. Learn the problem properly first. Write what is given. What is the data given for you in the word problem? Find what should be, what you have to find out. That means you are unknown. You are unknown in the problem. Then analyze into which procedure you have to follow for doing and solving the problem. Yes. Come on children now. So the difference between the two numbers is 26 and one number. Okay. Let us not take the second statement. Let me take the first statement first initially. So there are two numbers actually. They told the difference between two numbers. That means there are two numbers which we don't know. What are the two numbers? So when there is a number which is not known, you take it as a variable. Yes. So one number, let it be x, and the other number, let it be y. So as it is like from the pairs of linear equations in two variables, you can take two variables here. Yes. So x and y. Yeah. Now, how to write the first statement? Difference means subtraction between two numbers. Difference between two numbers is means is equals to 26. This is the first statement what is given. Yes or no? Yes. So x minus y equals 26. Now let us proceed to the second statement. And one number is 3 times the other. Here, for the second statement, so many children are confused whether to write that x is equal to or whether to write y is equal to. Children, a small logic for you. When you are doing subtraction, we usually take the bigger number first and we'll subtract a small number from the bigger number. That means the first number is always a bigger number and the second number is always a smaller number. Usually in numbers. Don't go for integers because integers everything is possible there. But here when you are taking numbers, the first number is always bigger number. You cannot subtract in the normal numbers 17 minus 27. You can subtract 27 minus 17. Yes or no? So that's small logic. That means which is the bigger number here that you identify. What is the bigger number? X is the bigger number. Yes or no? Now you understood that X is a bigger number. Now try to read the statement once again. And one number is 3 times the other number. One number is 3 times the other number. So how to write that number? No, this is only the bigger number. Yes or no? So one number, that means bigger number is equal to 3 times, that means 3 into smaller number. Oh, I have written x is equals to 3y. But I am not sure whether it is right or wrong. Suppose, then whenever you have a doubt here, you take what usually I suggest for students is usually, children, whenever you have a doubt here, take y is equal to suppose 1. Now what will x become? Oh, x is only the greater number than y. Yes or no? That means your statement is right. You are subtracting 3 minus 1 only. From bigger number only, smaller number you are subtracting. That means your statement is right. You can analyze or you can confirm and then you can go for the next step. Is that clear children? So x is equals to 3y. And now let this be the equation 1 and let this be equation 2 because there are two conditions given here and find them. They asked us to find the two numbers which are used here. Yes. Now let me substitute 3y. Yes or no? Take the first equation. X minus y is equals to 26. In place of x, I am substituting x is equals to 3. That means in place of y, I am writing x in terms of y. Exactly. In terms of y. So 3y minus y is equals to 26. And so many of you, even though you know, I am just recalling the thing. Children, whenever there is no coefficient, that time what you should do is, that means you cannot take it as 0. You should take it as 1. So whenever there is no coefficient for a variable, don't take it as 0. It is the 1. So 3y minus 1. Numerical value 3 minus 1 is 2. Y is equals to 26. After this 2y, no, that means 2 into y. I'm going to write another step. 2 into y is equals to 26. Y is equals to 26 by 2. When it go for transpose, multiplication go for division. So when you cancel, you will be getting 13 as the answer for the variable. Yes. So you have found one of the variable 13. Now let me take, see, you have found y. Now let me take it as x. X is equals to 3 times of y. That means 3 into 13, which is 39. X is equals to 39. And after finding the variables, usually I have a habit of checking myself whether the given things are right or wrong. How will you check? I will check according to the conditions given. I will check according to the conditions given. How to check it? X minus y is 26, they told. What is x? 39. 39 minus 13 is nothing but 26. My first condition is satisfied and my answer is also right. Yes. Let me go to the second equation. What is this? X is equals to 3 into y. Okay. Let me 3 into 13 is nothing but 39. This side it is 39 and x value is 13. That means both are equated. That means my answer is right according to the two conditions given here. So this is how you check the answer and you write it down. Is that clear, children? Hope you all understood this problem. So because of difference, we have kept here minus. So read the problem carefully, and there are some important things. You can just underline them with the pencil when you are reading them, and note it down each and everything what is given, and then find out the answer for it. Yes, children, is that clear for you? Thank you, children. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.